If you would like to create and sell your own planners, then you are in the right place. Hi everyone, I'm Lisa from Pretty Fabulous, and I help online businesses create pretty pages using Adobe InDesign and using Canva. So this is something new. There are no past Canva videos on this channel, but there will be going forward. So everything that you can do in Adobe InDesign, I will show you how to design that in Canva if it's possible. There are some limitations, obviously, because there are two different products, but specifically on this channel, we will be designing planners, notebooks, journals, stickers, and card decks. And when I say how to create and sell them, I'm talking about both physical, printable, and digital. So when I say digital, it is usually for the iPad, but it could be used on a tablet. It's anything that has a notation software associated with it. Now, I also create templates. So if you don't want to learn from scratch and you're like, just give me a template that I can edit and go forward and start selling, then you might want to join Planner Pixies, which is my unlimited downloads membership, and honestly, the best deal. Everything that I have is available in Adobe InDesign and in Canva, if it's possible. So for example, Canva has a 200-page limit. So obviously a daily planner, which has 365 pages at least, is not able to be replicated inside of Canva. So that is only available in Adobe InDesign. As of now, who knows, Canva might change their page limit, at which point I will definitely update all of the longer documents into Canva for you. Make sure to hit the subscribe button below. I post new videos every Tuesday, and hit that bell to get notifications because I go live quite a bit with new products and updates and webinars.